Okay, so the problem we'll be doing today is a division problem, and the problem is 3x squared y over 4x to the third plus y5 divided by 6y squared over 2x and y to the third. So when it comes to division problems like this, the first thing you're going to want to do is take your second fraction and flip it. So what I mean by this is your denominator will now become your numerator, and your numerator will now become your denominator. And also, when this is done, the division problem will now turn into a multiplication problem. So once you've done that, and you've rewritten everything, you should have 3x squared y over 4x to the third plus y5 times 2x y to the third over 6y squared. So from here, all you want to do is combine your like terms. What I mean by this is take your whole numbers. So for example, in the top row are the numerators, both numerators. You would multiply 3 times 2 to get 6. And when it comes to the exponents like x squared and x and y to the third, all you're going to do is add those up. So what I mean by this is you would take x squared and x, and there's an invisible 1 there, and add that, and you would get x to the third. And same thing for y. For the first y, there's an invisible 1 there, and then there's y third, so you would add that and get y to the fourth. So once you've done all that for both top and bottom row, you should get 6x to the third, y to the fourth over 24, x to the third, and y to the seventh. So basically, when that's all said and done, what you're going to want to do here is divide your whole numbers and subtract your exponents. So by doing this, basically you're going to separate it, and you can write out 6 divided by 24, and you would take x to the third, both x to the thirds, and subtract them from each other, canceling x out, and you would subtract y7 from y to the fourth, leaving you with y to the negative 3. And when it comes to simplifying the 6 over 24, you could put it in the calculator, whatever it plugs in it, whatever you get, just round it to the nearest tenth or hundredth. So for example, here I rounded it off and I got 0.25, and with the remaining exponent y to the negative third, that's the answer. But you can't leave it in that form, so basically all you're going to do is flip it into a fraction, and your final answer when done right should be 0.25 over y to the negative third.